thanks for watching. Please watch to the end and check out my first encounter with road rage.
Right, Kyrie, and we just told you a few weeks back about a road rage incident that led to a shooting, injuring one woman. It's incidents like that Baltimore Police Commissioner Richard Worley says he wants to stop.
Injuries.
Worley says road rage is also a concern.
I have not seen so much road rage in my career as we have in the last couple years. And what's happening is so many people are carrying guns, and the road rage are leading to more and more shootings.
This morning, the Florida Highway Patrol says a road rage incident between two drivers ended with someone shot on southbound I-95. Troopers say one driver fired twice at the other driver. One bullet clipped the driver's side window, grazing the victim's arm. Traffic camera video shows investigators at the scene with two cars stopped on the side of the highway. That victim was rushed to Jackson Memorial Hospital. We are told that person.
Police arrested a man they say shot and killed a father of two during another road rage incident that happened last week. The shooting happening on West Canino Road near I-45. The suspect, 32-year-old Osman Soloranzo Sanchez, is charged with murder and evidence tampering. Troy Kless has been on the story since the shooting. He's talking to the victim's mother and has more on today's investigation. Troy.
Well, and the suspect is currently in the Harris County Jail right now. And today we obtained news surveillance video that appears to show that the victim in this case was initially following the suspect. The man killed leaves behind a heartbroken family.
I don't know if to cry, to scream, to stay quiet. Mixed emotions, I don't know.
A mom is struggling with the loss of her son. Victoria Garcia lost her son, Ricardo Vega, a 27-year-old father of two.
I just know that Mijo was loved very, very, very much. Not only by family, but by friends, by his bosses.
On the night of his death, investigators say Vega called 911 to say he witnessed a hit and run. Surveillance video obtained by KHOU shows Vega in his Toyota sedan apparently following the suspect's vehicle, a beige pickup truck, down Berwyn Drive. Both vehicles turn right from Berwyn onto Canino Drive. But at this stop sign, it turned into a road rage.
He didn't give a warning. He didn't shoot up in the air. He didn't shoot at the car. My son had one gunshot wound, and that was to his right temple. So you knew what you were doing.
Houston police arrested Osman Solorzano Sanchez and charged him with murder and evidence tampering.
On the 911 call, the complainant states, quote, "He's flashing a weapon right now."
Police say Solorzano admitted to being the shooter and tossing his gun. Police also say they found objects removed from the truck, including a license plate, and say it appears the paint was being sanded off. Garcia with a message to the man responsible.
I forgive you, but I want you to also pay for what you did to my son.
Now, currently, Solorzano is being held in jail on a $150,000 bond. He waived his first court appearance, but he's expected to appear before a judge on Wednesday morning. Reporting live in downtown, Troy Kless, KHOU 11 News.